Hey guys, I'm Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, then welcome to my channel. If you aren't new here and you've been here for a while, hi, thanks for coming back. So in my last video I did a room transformation for the Christmas season, and I had a couple things in my room that I actually made myself. And so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make those stuff. So yeah, these aren't actually one of the things. I made these last year, and I'll also link my Christmas DIYs from last year in the description box as well. So check out the description box and let's get into the video. So the first thing I decided on was what pattern I was going to use, and I simply chose a random pattern, and all I did was glue the pom-poms onto the pillowcase in a random pattern, and that was literally it. That was like the simplest DIY ever. Step number 1 is to draw your Christmas tree or your pine tree, or just like draw a tree on the first piece of cardboard, and then my friend, you are gonna snip snip cut it out. I have hiccups. And after you've cut it out, trace it onto the other piece of cardboard and cut that out as well. Next, we're gonna cut from the bottom to the middle of one, and then from the top to the middle of the other. And this is so they can slide down each other and fit together. Yeah, and next you guys can paint it however you like it. Ew. Okay, so I don't know how to explain this much, but I'ma try. First step, cut the strips to the length of the sides of the letter and tape them down. Then you're gonna add the second letter cutout and tape that down as well. And don't forget to add the bottom and like the side pieces, those little small cutouts. Yeah, that's it for step 1. Step 2, if you want to make this even simpler, then spray paint the letter or paint it. But if you want to be difficult like me, then with your paper cutout, make sure you have flaps so that you can paste it down. And once again, I'm being difficult and I use tape, but using glue is much easier. And then with your strips, just glue it on and you're done. Okay, so for this next pillowcase, the first thing I did was to draw the letters out and then cut them out of the cartridge paper. And after I did that, I got the strip of cloth, yeah, the strip of cloth, and I laid them inverted or mirror image. Well, I laid them like you see on the video, and I traced it on to the strip of paper. The reason I did this way is because once I cut them out, I don't want the ink to be showing, so I cut it out and then flip it over. And last thing to do was to glue it on to the pillowcase, which I did using my glue stick. But if you have fabric glue, yeah, then that works good as well, so that it lasts as long as possible. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to make sure that you don't miss any more of my Christmas videos, then hit the bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Yeah, that's about it. Comment down below if you guys actually decorate for Christmas, and yeah, bye.